being observed by WHO for the last 30 years. But just after 2 years of this World Patient Safety Day, Government of India also initiated that we should celebrate Pharmacovigilance Week. So it's the fifth year. So being a part of Pharmacovigilance Awareness Week, we organize many events, including the like CMEs, post-harvesting competition, quiz competition, local natak sessions in schools, and like visit to other cities. Sarmad Hanif again. Dr. Sarmad is basically very close to me, and he is also a son of my favorite teacher, Professor Shaukat Arif Hanif. And Dr. Arif Hanif was also senior resident department of pharmacology. Dr. Arif Hanif he did obviously graduation from Aligarh. Better if I introduce his father, because if a person is recognized by the father is more important than his own achievement. Although he did a lot of activities in the ranching safety. So Dr. Arif Hanif was his father. He was a practitioner in Aligarh. Basically, he was a radiologist, and he also had a clinic in Nurpur, clinic, and he.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Dia, for giving a stupendous introduction about my parents, about me. I just, first of all, I would like to thank each and everybody who is present here as an audience, as an organizing member, those who invited me for this lecture. Thanks a lot for that. And in 2 words or 2 sentences, I'll say that I'm a vaccine scientist. I have around 15 years of experience. Mostly I have worked in companies